Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today is going to be just a simple video on how I style my hair. So it's nothing just too serious, but I wanted to show you guys how I style my hair. So here we go. So I start off by using the Nairobi Curl and Shine styling wax, you guys. So I love this stuff. It's basically like what we used to call back in the day grease. Something like that, but it has just a little tiny bit more thickness to it, hence the name Curl and Styling Wax. But it's not like super thick like traditional wax, y'all. And I distribute that evenly throughout my entire head. And then I sort of comb through it. That way when I go to curl it, it's good to go. And then now I'm taking the Care wax. This is like one of those wax sticks. So this is like that thick wax, you guys. And I put that all over. And what this does is help my style to last. And usually I like to do like spiky like styles, like a little messy type style. And this really keeps it in place, you guys. So I just go all over with the styling wax, and then I take my rat tail comb and a small flat iron, and I basically start curling my hair, not like a full curl, but just like a half a curl, just kind of like bumping it. That way it gives me sort of that messy look when I go to finger comb it out. And you see me spraying a little bit of hairspray. It's the Aussie Firm Hold hairspray. I get it from Target, and that just helps with the longevity of the style. Usually when I do my hair like this, you guys, it lasts for a whole week. Generally I work out almost every day, so it just only lasts like a couple days because of all the sweat. But if there's ever a time where I go without working out, it will last a whole week.
A certain chick lies under.
I'll be going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper until lemons taste sweet. This is all you can eat, from steak to sorbet. Welcome to the buffet.
A certain chick lies underground. Her grievous filled with restlessness. A certain chick lies underground. 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 Her grievous filled with restlessness.
Wait, how am I supposed to pronounce this? I don't need a sub, I don't need a speaker, cause a nigga bring the noise like an onomatopoeia. Leave him in the dust, all I see is my Adidas. Nanny, nanny, boo boo, wouldn't wanna be a. Never turning back, how you think I got here? And I'm never slowing down. Fuck, was that a deal? If you got a problem, step to the office. Matter of fact, never mind, talk to the kiosk. Biatch, 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 biatch.
certain chick lies under.
I'll be going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper until lemons taste sweet. This is all you can eat, from steak to sorbet. Welcome to the buffet.
So yeah, you guys, after I finish basically flat ironing my whole head, it looks like this. And from here, I just take my fingers and finger comb through the whole thing. Just kind of like mess it up basically. And that's it, you guys. It's super simple. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.